Well, hello brothers. This is the second games I play, trying the new updates. Trying new updates in Elven Shrine. I want to try the new price for knights and copters, since they are before there's gold expensive, but they are reduced about 25 and also 25 for both. So we're gonna see. Oh, I was late using it. Yeah. So yeah, and we, rather than the transition into bikers, we gonna transition into catapultas, which is also has a new biker and catapult, because they have new updates too, which is range increase. Might be nice. So let's go with our usual build, usual play, but might be in this new update we need mana well more, since they decrease the regeneration.
Construction complete. The building has been built.
So we're gonna use gold mine. Fortification now is 75 mana. It's to balance out the sabotage from dark faction, and also in dark faction there. What I want to say, in dark faction there is balance out with hiring acceleration that's faster, as they need less mana now.
Allied building is sieged.
So
Upgrade complete.
he's doing good. Let's go for the build we are trying.
Yes, my lord. Sir, yes, sir. On my way. On guard. Yes.
Alright.
Sir, yes, sir.
Your ally is under attack.
Heroic deeds await. Command. Forward.
Oh, I see hiring acceleration too.
Work time. Heroic deeds await. Awaiting orders.
So he might be
Construction complete.
pushing me.
Move. Ready and steady. Yes, my lord. Command. Got a job? Over here, master.
The building has been
Ready
built.
and steady.
Yes.
Job done.
Construction complete.
Fight me. Any help? Awaiting orders. Working move. On my way. Yay! Heroic deeds await.
Right. They are dead.
Done.
The
Orders?
building has been built.
Yes, my lord. Orders? Attack. Command. Ready and steady. Don't back off.
Enemy detected.
Awaiting orders. Heroic deeds await.
That is the
Enemy
question.
is here.
Orders?
Is it worth it to?
Your ally is under attack.
Yes. Awaiting
I
orders.
have killed 3. Is it worth it to
Ready and
waste
steady. Yes, my lord.
600 for
Let's get to work.
150 workers?
Command.
That is the question.
Ready and steady. On my
Okay,
way.
he has skeletons, so we can
Yes, my lord. On guard. Sir, yes, sir.
ignore.
Your ally is under attack.
Heroic deeds await.
Since he also ignoring it.
Chest found.
Orders? In position.
Enemy detected. Resources gathered.
Airstrike.
I cannot help. I don't have
Allied
any
building is under attack.
air.
Your ally is under attack.
Propellers are spinning. Got it saying. Head in the clouds. Right. Wing the air. We got fuel.
Your ally is under attack. Upgrade the castle. Upgrade complete.
Oh, what is that?
Attacking the target. Head in the clouds. You can't stop me. Got it saying. Fly, don't die. Propellers are spinning. What a sight. Commencing attack. Head in the clouds. Pass away. We got
So we save the skeleton archers because they the only one can kill it.
drop the bomb.
Our forces are under attack.
Awaiting orders. Not your level.
Maybe bikers gonna be needed.
Your ally is under attack.
Work time.
Since we have much money too.
Propellers are spinning. I'ma shoot ya. Got it saying. Take this. They asked for this. What a sight. Catch this. Attacking the target. Me.
Chest is here.
Yes,
Your
my
ally
lord.
is under attack.
Got it.
And okay, this is
Forward.
the end of my attack.
Defend yourself.
Upgrade complete.
Give me orders. Work time. Building
So we need bikers
Courage
Resources
and devotion.
received.
for
Honor and glory. On guard.
range
Our
attack.
forces engage the enemy.
What's the plan, my lord? Orders? Whoa.
Upgrade complete.
I'm sorry, bro, but I think we managed good to kill this guy.
Your ally is under attack.
Kingdom's guard. Give me orders.
Come on, faster, bro.
Upgrade complete.
Get a work. Work. For honor and glory.
Your ally is under attack.
Wow. Right. I help you.
Courage and devotion.
And we need gravitas.
The plan, my lord. Whoa.
Your ally is under attack.
Airstrike.
Construction complete.
So, as you can see, this might be also my fault, but we see we have much gold rather than they usually.
Guard.
We have 0 gold if we playing with this build.
The building has been built.
Why is he
Your ally is under attack.
smoking, chilling on the in here?
Give me orders. Break through.
Put your helmet on.
Okay, another ballista.
Dwarves are cool. Your ally is under attack. These roads suck.
And now we are ready for attack.
Affirmative.
Yeah, brother. Feel the road. Chest found.
Ready, steady. On guard.
The point is captured. Hit the road. Dwarves are cool.
Building it.
Cool bike, huh?
Also, there is a bigger range on. We're gonna try fireflies. Oh,
Let's ride. Resources collected. Attack. Riding.
he tried to do me dirty. All right,
Rock.
it's all right. It's all right.
Put your helmet on. These roads suck. Your ally is under attack. They won't pass.
Haha,
Engine roars.
dirty guy.
Let's ride.
All right, just the view is
Cool
better.
bike, huh?
We got better view. Oh,
Slow down.
you are late, brother.
Yeah, brother.
Especially with
Upgrade complete.
my catapult. Hehe, baited.
Get to work.
Enemy die. Our forces engaged in battle.
Work time. Building it. Get to work.
Put your helmet on. Hit the road.
All right, this is the factory build from the new updates.
Dwarves are cool.
Actually, there's not much of a difference except for the gold usage.
Hit the road. Construction complete.
But you see the catapult, ooh, long range, very long.
The building has been built. Victory!
GG, GG. We might play Catapultas more soon because it's fun seeing zero risk is a low risk attacking from very far. Nice, it's a very good game. GG.